64 GB flash drive or the pen drive you are having, but you are getting around 58 GB or 60 GB. The reason is, so manufacturers always calculate the GB in decimal numbers. So giga stands for 10 to the power of 9 in the normal scientific way. And what is the meaning of giga in terms of binary? So when it comes to computer thinks it in binary. So computer it takes it in the computer takes in the binary way. Like suppose if you say kilo stands for 1000 in the normal scientific way. So but when it comes to the computer, kilo stands for 2 to the power of 10, right, in the binary computer way. So 2 power 10 is like 1024. And similarly, mega stands for normally we will take it like 10 power 6, but whereas in the binary, mega stands for 2 to the power of 20. So that difference will give the, because manufacturer is doing in terms of 10 power, whereas the computer calculates in terms of 2 power. So understanding the difference between the binary and decimal, that creates the gap, whatever that's what you are losing actually. Okay, so that's why that remaining 4 GB as 5 GB may not appear for you. Okay, but there is some little effect on what is the file system you are using. So sometimes like what is the FAT file system or NTFS, like what is the file system you are taking. So based on the file system also, some small change will be there, that is very minute, but majority is because of decimal and binary differences.